Says on.
They're pointing at us. See you. I'm seeing. Hey everybody! We're going on a bike ride at Cades Cove, Tennessee.
Papa, can we get some
campground
ice cream first? Can we get some ice cream?
We're going. We may get ice cream, but Brixton has been bad. Oh yep, he has. Say hey.
Hey, I've been good. I've been good.
No, you've been bad. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. He been bad.
No, I've been good.
Oh yeah, everyone. He been bad. Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Are you having fun, guys?
Are you having fun, guys? Are you being not fun with us? No.
That's my brother. He just said everything. Yeah.
Those keep me on the face and put one in the head off.
Dude, what are you talking about? You wanna watch? I hope you watch these videos now. Just okay? Please watch these videos. Okay? With Gatlin and Brixton. Okay, guys, watch this video. No, Brixton.
My turn.